Quantum Computing and Artificial Intelligence, a revolutionary approach to cancer treatment by 2030. Date, January 31, 2025. Introduction. In a groundbreaking development, recent research underscores the potential of integrating quantum computing with artificial intelligence (AI) to revolutionize drug discovery and potentially find a cure for all types of cancer by 2030. This convergence of technologies is particularly significant in targeting challenging proteins associated with cancer, such as the notorious KRAS protein, which drives uncontrolled cell growth in approximately 25% of all cancers. Key research insights. A pivotal study co-led by researchers from the University of Toronto U of T and Insilico Medicine, published in Nature Biotechnology, showcases this transformative potential. The key findings of the research highlight the following. 1. Targeting KRAS. The study successfully developed molecules capable of interacting with the KRAS protein, recognized as a significant contributor to cancer progression. Despite the prevalence of KRAS mutations, only 2 FDA-approved drugs currently target them, indicating a pressing need for more effective cancer therapies. 2. Hybrid computational model. The research team adopted a hybrid model that integrates quantum computing, generative AI, and classical computing techniques. This approach involved training their algorithms on a custom dataset of 1.1 million molecules, including 650 validated compounds, allowing them to pinpoint 15 promising candidates for further laboratory testing. 3. Accelerating drug discovery. The amalgamation of these advanced technologies is poised to significantly reduce the preclinical phase of drug discovery, traditionally viewed as a lengthy and costly endeavor. Leveraging cloud computing enables researchers to efficiently screen a vast array of compounds, overcoming logistical challenges associated with physical storage and robotic testing. For future prospects, as quantum computing technology continues to advance, the algorithms developed in this study hold the promise of yielding increasingly better results. Researchers are now extending their model to other previously deemed undruggable proteins, with preliminary results indicating potential breakthroughs. Common themes in the research. Innovative integration. The studies emphasize how merging quantum computing with AI can revolutionize drug discovery and address the challenges posed by undruggable proteins. Focus on KRAS. The research consistently underscores the criticality of targeting KRAS in the pursuit of effective cancer treatments. Collaboration for progress. The partnership between U of T and Insilico Medicine exemplifies how collaborative efforts between academia and industry can accelerate advancements in medical research. Analysis of differences in sources. While the core findings are consistent across diverse sources, variations exist in the depth of analysis and the portrayal of future timelines. Source 1 provides an in-depth exploration of the methodology, including specifics about the dataset and the molecules discovered. In contrast, Source 3 offers a broader overview, focusing on the aspirational claim that quantum computing and AI could lead to a universal cancer cure by 2030. Conclusion. The intersection of quantum computing and AI represents a promising frontier in cancer research, particularly in drug discovery for complex proteins like KRAS. The current study serves as a proof of concept, suggesting that the integration of these advanced technologies could pave the way for a new era of precision medicine. Nonetheless, it is crucial to manage expectations regarding the timeline for significant breakthroughs, emphasizing the need for ongoing research and collaboration in this rapidly evolving field. Implications of the research. The implications of this research extend beyond the immediate findings. The ability to target previously undruggable proteins like KRAS could lead to new treatment paradigms in oncology, significantly improving patient outcomes. Furthermore, as computational methods become increasingly sophisticated, the landscape of drug discovery will continue to evolve, potentially allowing for more personalized and effective cancer therapies tailored to individual patients' genetic profiles. In summary, the integration of quantum computing with AI heralds a new era in cancer treatment with the potential to address some of the most pressing challenges in oncology and improve the lives of millions affected by this devastating disease. The optimism surrounding these developments is tempered by the understanding that rigorous research and clinical trials will be necessary to translate these findings into tangible therapies. As the scientific community continues to explore this exciting frontier, the possibility of a future where cancer can be effectively treated or even cured becomes increasingly plausible. The intersection of quantum computing and artificial intelligence (AI) holds transformative potential for the field of drug discovery, particularly in addressing the challenges associated with undruggable cancer targets such as the KRAS protein. A recent study co-led by researchers from the University of Toronto U of T and Insilico Medicine published in Nature Biotechnology exemplifies this innovative approach, bringing forth counterintuitive insights about the capabilities and implications of these technologies. Counterintuitive insights. 1. Quantum computing not always superior. A surprising finding of the study is that while quantum computing has been successfully integrated into the drug discovery process, it does not necessarily outperform classical computing methods in the immediate context. The researchers explicitly note that their work serves as a proof of principle demonstration rather than a definitive validation of quantum superiority. This challenges the common assumption that quantum computing will automatically yield better results across all applications, emphasizing that its true advantage may only emerge as the technology matures. 2. Focus on undruggable proteins. The research specifically targets the KRAS protein, which has historically been deemed undruggable. The fact that a significant portion of cancer therapies has historically overlooked such targets raises questions about the existing paradigms in drug discovery. This challenges the prevailing notion that only certain proteins can be effectively targeted, highlighting the need for a paradigm shift in how researchers approach the identification of druggable proteins. 3. Hybrid computing approach. The innovative hybrid model combining quantum computing, generative AI, and classical computing is itself a departure from traditional methodologies. This multifaceted approach allows researchers to harness the strengths of each computing type, suggesting a more nuanced understanding of computational capabilities rather than a one-size-fits-all reliance on quantum technology. It implies that the future of drug discovery may lie in the integration of diverse computational strategies rather than a wholesale shift to quantum computing alone. 4. Accelerated drug discovery timelines. While the study illustrates the potential of shortening the preclinical phase of drug discovery, the actual timeline for bringing new therapies to market remains uncertain. The expectation that new technologies will lead to rapid clinical breakthroughs can be misleading. The research underscores that while quantum computing and AI can expedite certain processes, the complexities of clinical validation, regulatory approvals, and real-world efficacy trials still pose significant hurdles. 5. Collaboration across disciplines. The partnership between academia and industry in this research exemplifies a counterintuitive need for interdisciplinary collaboration in tackling complex medical challenges. The success of the study stems from the combined expertise of researchers in chemistry, computer science, and biochemistry, suggesting that breakthroughs in fields like cancer treatment may require more than just technological advancements. They also necessitate diverse perspectives and collaborative efforts. 6. Expectations versus reality. The bold claim that quantum computing and AI could lead to a cure for all cancers by 2030 reflects an optimistic vision that contrasts sharply with the historical challenges of cancer treatment development. This expectation may drive funding and interest, but also risks fostering disillusionment if breakthroughs do not materialize as quickly as anticipated. It suggests a disconnect between the rapid advancements in computational technologies and the often slow, iterative nature of biomedical research. 7. Promise versus proof. The researchers' optimism about the future applications of their hybrid model for other undruggable proteins is tempered by the acknowledgement that this initial success does not guarantee similar outcomes across different targets. The notion that success in one area can readily translate to another is often overly simplistic, particularly in a field as complex as oncology. This highlights the necessity for ongoing research and validation across a broader range of targets. 8. Impact on existing drug development paradigms. The research challenges traditional drug development paradigms, which have largely depended on extensive libraries of existing compounds to find effective treatments. The shift toward leveraging AI and quantum computing for novel compound generation suggests a potential redefinition of the drug discovery landscape, where the focus may increasingly shift from existing compounds to entirely new molecular entities designed specifically to target complex proteins. Conclusion. The integration of quantum computing and AI in drug discovery represents a significant advancement in the quest to develop more effective cancer therapies, particularly for challenging targets like KRAS. However, the insights gleaned from recent research underscore the complexities and nuanced realities of this integration. The promise of these technologies must be balanced with a pragmatic understanding of their current limitations, the need for interdisciplinary collaboration, and the ongoing challenges in translating computational successes into tangible clinical outcomes. As researchers continue to explore this evolving frontier, managing expectations and fostering a collaborative environment will be crucial in realizing the full potential of quantum computing and AI in the fight against cancer. The report on the integration of quantum computing with artificial intelligence (AI) in cancer drug discovery presents several significant findings, but there are important nuances that many may overlook. Here are some key aspects of the research and their implications. 1. Undruggable proteins in KRAS. While the report emphasizes the study's focus on KRAS, the significance of targeting undruggable proteins cannot be overstated. KRAS mutations are implicated in a substantial percentage of cancers, and the fact that only 2 FDA-approved drugs target KRAS highlights a critical gap in cancer treatment. The ability to create molecules that interact with this protein is not merely an academic achievement, it represents a tangible step toward addressing a dire need for effective therapies in oncology. The urgency of this challenge underlines the importance of this research as it opens pathways to potentially treat a wide range of cancers that currently have limited options. 2. Hybrid computational models. The research employs a hybrid model that combines quantum computing, generative AI, and classical methodologies. This approach is significant because it demonstrates that quantum computing, while still in its developmental stages, can be integrated into existing AI frameworks to enhance drug discovery processes. The training of models on a custom dataset comprised of over 1 million molecules adds a layer of complexity that traditional methods lack. While some may focus solely on the novelty of quantum computing, the hybrid approach signifies a paradigm shift in how researchers can leverage computational advancements to tackle complex biological problems. 3. Accelerated drug discovery process. One of the most impactful implications of this study is the potential to significantly shorten the drug discovery timeline. Traditional drug discovery is notoriously lengthy and expensive, often taking years to yield viable candidates. The report suggests that using cloud computing to screen compounds allows researchers to bypass many logistical hurdles associated with physical testing. This could lead to faster development of new therapies, which is particularly crucial in the context of cancer, where time can be the difference between life and death for patients. 4. Proof of principle versus quantum advantage. A critical point that may be overlooked is the distinction between proof of principle studies and actual quantum advantage. The researchers themselves caution that while they have demonstrated that quantum computers can assist in drug discovery, this does not equate to proving that quantum methods are superior to classical ones at this time. This nuance is significant because it frames the current findings within the broader context of ongoing research and development in quantum computing. The promise of quantum advantage in the future must be tempered with an understanding that substantial technological advancements are still required to realize its full potential. 5. Future applications beyond KRAS. The researchers are not stopping with KRAS, they plan to apply their hybrid model to other undruggable proteins. This broadening of focus is significant because it suggests that the methodologies developed could be applicable across a wide array of cancer targets, potentially revolutionizing the treatment landscape. The fact that as many as 85% of human proteins are classified as undruggable indicates a massive opportunity for future research. And the study's success could catalyze further exploration into these unexplored areas. 6. Collaboration between academia and industry. The partnership between the University of Toronto and Insilico Medicine serves as a model for how academic and industry collaborations can accelerate scientific discovery. This is significant because it illustrates the importance of leveraging diverse expertise and resources to tackle complex challenges in medicine. The collaboration highlights that breakthroughs in fields like cancer research often require multifaceted approaches that encompass both theoretical and practical applications. It sets a precedent for future research initiatives, emphasizing the value of such partnerships and pushing the boundaries of what is currently possible. 7. Funding and support for research. The study received support from various funding bodies, which highlights the critical role of investment in advancing scientific research. The involvement of institutions like the Canada First Research Excellence Fund and other organizations underscores the importance of sustained financial backing for innovative projects. This aspect is often overlooked in discussions of scientific breakthroughs. However, without the necessary funding, many promising avenues of research may remain unexplored. Conclusion. The intersection of quantum computing and AI in cancer drug discovery, particularly in the context of targeting KRAS and other undruggable proteins, signals an exciting frontier in oncology. The nuanced implications of this research, from the potential to accelerate drug discovery to the broader applicability of the hybrid model, are significant and warrant attention. As researchers continue to explore this innovative approach, the future of cancer therapies may very well be transformed, paving the way for new treatments that could save countless lives. However, it is essential to maintain realistic expectations regarding the timeline for these advancements, as the journey from proof of principle to clinical application is often fraught with challenges. 1. Transformative potential of quantum computing and AI in drug discovery. The integration of quantum computing and artificial intelligence (AI) represents a groundbreaking advancement in drug discovery, especially for targeting complex proteins like KRAS. This hybrid approach allows for the design of novel molecules that were previously considered undruggable, significantly enhancing our ability to develop effective cancer therapies. The study, co-led by the University of Toronto and Insilico Medicine, exemplifies this potential by successfully identifying promising candidates for lab testing, highlighting the capability of these technologies to revolutionize traditional drug discovery processes. 2. Accelerated drug discovery process. By leveraging cloud computing and a vast dataset of 1.1 million molecules, researchers can dramatically shorten the preclinical phase of drug discovery, which has historically been time-consuming and costly. The ability to screen and identify potential drug candidates rapidly not only saves time but also reduces the logistical challenges associated with physical compound storage and robotic testing. This accelerated approach could lead to quicker advancements in clinical trials and ultimately more rapid access to new cancer treatments for patients. 3. A collaboration between academia and industry. The partnership between academic institutions like the University of Toronto and private entities such as Insilico Medicine underscores the importance of collaboration in driving innovation in healthcare. The Acceleration Consortium, which facilitates this collaboration, exemplifies how combining resources, expertise, and technology from different sectors can lead to significant breakthroughs in tackling complex challenges like cancer treatment. This model of collaboration can serve as a blueprint for future research initiatives aimed at addressing other healthcare challenges. For future implications and optimism for cancer treatments. As quantum computing technology continues to evolve, there is optimism that the algorithms developed through these hybrid models will yield even more effective results in the quest for cancer cures. The ongoing application of these methods to other undruggable proteins suggests a promising future for precision medicine, potentially leading to tailored therapies that could significantly improve patient outcomes. However, it is essential to maintain realistic expectations regarding timelines for breakthroughs, emphasizing the need for continued research and validation before claiming definitive cures. 1. The Manhattan Project 1942–1945. This was a research and development project during World War II that produced the first nuclear weapons. The project combined the talents of physicists, chemists, and engineers, including notable figures like J. Robert Oppenheimer and Richard Feynman. The collaboration between various scientific disciplines and institutions, including the Los Alamos Laboratory and Oak Ridge National Laboratory, led to rapid advancements in nuclear physics and engineering. The Manhattan Project is a historical example of how interdisciplinary collaboration, much like the integration of quantum computing and AI, can lead to groundbreaking innovations with profound implications. 2. The Human Genome Project 1990–2003. This international scientific research project aimed to map and understand all the genes of the human species. It involved collaboration among scientists from around the world and utilized advanced computing technologies to analyze vast amounts of genetic data. The project significantly advanced the field of genetics and personalized medicine, similar to how quantum computing and AI are poised to revolutionize drug discovery. The successful collaboration and innovation in genomic science serve as a parallel to the potential breakthroughs in cancer treatment through the integration of new technologies. 3. Development of penicillin 1928–1945. The discovery and mass production of penicillin marked a significant advancement in medicine, transforming the treatment of bacterial infections. Alexander Fleming's initial discovery in 1928, followed by the collaborative efforts of Howard Florey and Ernst Boris Chain during World War II to develop penicillin for widespread use, showcases how scientific breakthroughs can occur through the combination of ideas, research, and practical application. This historical case mirrors the current exploration of integrating quantum computing and AI to develop new cancer treatments, highlighting the potential for transformative impacts in healthcare. The intersection of quantum computing and artificial intelligence (AI) is on the brink of revolutionizing drug discovery, particularly in the fight against cancer. Research initiatives such as the one co-led by the University of Toronto and Insilico Medicine are paving the way for breakthroughs that could lead to effective treatments for previously undruggable cancer proteins like KRAS. By 2030, we may witness significant advancements with the potential for a comprehensive approach to cancer treatment that could fundamentally change patient outcomes. Predictions for the future. 1. Enhanced drug discovery speed. The hybrid approach of combining quantum computing with AI is likely to drastically reduce the time required for drug discovery. Traditional methods often span over a decade, but with advancements in quantum algorithms, we can expect this timeline to be shortened significantly. By 2030, the preclinical phase of drug discovery could be reduced to a few years, enabling faster delivery of new therapies to the market. 2. Targeting undruggable proteins. As the technology matures, we will see a broader range of undruggable proteins being targeted. The success of KRAS could serve as a model for other challenging targets such as p53 and MYC, which are implicated in numerous cancers. This expansion may result in new classes of drugs that could treat a wider variety of cancer types, making precision medicine more accessible. 3. Personalized cancer treatments. The integration of quantum computing and AI could lead to the development of highly personalized cancer therapies. By analyzing an individual's genomic data alongside extensive molecular databases, treatments could be tailored to the specific mutations present in a patient's tumor. By 2030, we may see routine implementation of these personalized medicines in clinical practice, improving efficacy and reducing side effects. For decreased research costs, quantum computing has the potential to reduce the costs associated with drug development, which often reaches billions of dollars. By streamlining the drug discovery process and enhancing the efficiency of screening compounds, the financial burden on pharmaceutical companies could lessen. This could lead to more investment in research and development, ultimately benefiting patients with lower drug prices. 5. Collaborative ecosystem growth. The collaboration between academic institutions and biotech companies will likely flourish as the potential of quantum AI integration becomes more apparent. By 2030, we can expect a more robust ecosystem where interdisciplinary teams work together, sharing data and resources to accelerate the discovery of novel therapies. This collaborative approach will foster innovation and may lead to breakthroughs previously thought impossible. 6. Regulatory and ethical frameworks. As these technologies advance, the need for updated regulatory and ethical frameworks will become paramount. By 2030, we should see the establishment of guidelines governing the use of AI and quantum computing in drug development. This will ensure patient safety and maintain public trust in these emerging technologies. 7. Public health impact. The successful application of quantum computing and AI in cancer research could lead to a significant decline in cancer mortality rates. By 2030, if effective therapies for multiple cancer types are developed, we may see improvements in survival rates and quality of life for cancer patients. This would not only transform individual lives but also reduce healthcare costs associated with advanced cancer treatments. 8. Broader applications beyond cancer. While the current focus is on cancer, the methodologies developed through this research could extend to other diseases such as neurodegenerative disorders and infectious diseases. By 2030, we may witness the application of these technologies in various therapeutic areas, broadening their impact on global health. Conclusion. The combination of quantum computing and AI holds immense promise for revolutionizing cancer treatment and drug discovery. By 2030, we may be on the cusp of achieving breakthroughs that could lead to cures for various types of cancer, particularly those previously deemed undruggable. While optimism is warranted, it is essential to remain mindful of the complexities involved in translating research into clinical practice. Continued investment in technology collaboration among stakeholders and the establishment of regulatory frameworks will be crucial in realizing this vision for the future of medicine.